assignment, always read the instructions. One way of submitting an assignment is through the Add or Delete button. This is for assignments without an attachment. On this page, you will see the assignment title, points, due date, and instructions. At the bottom of the instructions, you can leave a class comment or question. Remember that what you post here is public, so all students are able to see it. If you want to send a private comment or question to your teacher, you may type it on the Private Comments tab. To submit your assignment, click the Add or Delete button and add a file located in your Google Drive, an internet link, or a file located in your laptop or computer. You may also create a file using a Google Doc, Google Slide, Google Sheets, or drawings. This is for assignments without an attached file. If your file is saved on Google Drive, click the Google Drive button, then choose and insert the file. If your file is saved on your laptop or desktop, click the File button. You may upload or drag the file to the top. Click Turn In to submit your assignment and confirm your submission. You may unsubmit your assignment if you think your work needs more editing. You may unsubmit your assignment as long as it is not past the due date. Notice that your assignment is now turned. You have successfully submitted your assignment.